now, Isla's going to sing a happy birthday to.
Okay, our last song is by Cora. So, hope you enjoy it.